drill! Get your arms on the machine gun and cover your sector! Davis, get on the machine gun! That's an order! Enemy infantry! By the telephone pole! Southwest! Keep your heads down! Do some firing! German infantry! Ground floor! On the left! It's our only way out of here!
This is OP3, we're under heavy attack! Simon Houston, we need reinforcements, I repeat! This is OP3! Can anyone look out?
Everyone out, now! Out the back door! Come on, move, move! Davis, you're on point! Let's go and flank that bastard!
This is OP6, is anyone receiving over? We're tracking them up! They're inside! They're inside the mine!
Put down some suppressing fire! Die, you dirty Jerry Rotter! Come on, kill McGregor, cover the rear! Take out any crowds behind us!
Aye, sir! Consider it done! Come on, you jelly bastards! Let go!
Keep pushing towards the rally point! Come on! Where's the rally point?
The rally point's to the south! Keep moving, sir! We'll cover the rear! Connery! On me! The crowds are coming up the ladder to the rear! Take them out!
Come on, Davis! We're totally outnumbered! We're bloody dead if we stay here! Damn it, you've got to keep up! Sandbags! Captain! Smoke to the north! They've broken through our rear guard! We've got to get back and help our boys out!
It's too late, McGregor! We've got to reach that rally point! Davis, let's go!
The Jerry's are closing in from behind! I'll teach those bastards a lesson!
Forget it, McGregor! The rally point's just up ahead! We'll get pinned down if we stay here! Keep moving!
German troops! By the telephone pole! Get ahead!
Gentlemen's out in the open! To the north! Come on, it's the last truck! We've got to get out of